everyone, and welcome to my Lunarly unboxing. This is my third video, so if I mess up and I can't understand, I am exhausted. I am considered an essential worker, and all of the essential workers out there right now will tell you how tired they are. So if you're watching this and you are an essential worker, make sure you like this and tell or leave a comment and tell everybody exactly how tired you are as well. I know I am barely staying awake when I get home. I have filmed probably close to 6 or 7 unboxings, and yet have I edited one of them. So I'm going to try my best to edit as many as I can and start uploading them. I have been on, I haven't had many days off. I have been trying to not work too much in one day, but I have been sleeping more each night, which is ironic because I only sleep like 6 to 7 hours usually. And I have been sleeping and being tired. Like I can't even get up earlier than normal because I'm still tired, so I sleep in. And I've been snoring more, so I must be sleeping deeper. So, but I came home and I had 2 other boxes in my Lunarly box. I've already done those 2 unboxings. I'm hoping I get them up first. And Lunarly is a box that you get every month. Every other month you get a plant, and any month that you don't get a plant, you get a candle. They have a calendar on their website. This is actually going to be a candle box. I already know it. Should be the flower moon box that I have listed on the little doohickey right there. But if it isn't, it's because I'm so tired and I forgot which box it's supposed to be. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh, the shipping label says flower moon. Hey! I nailed that one. I think I'm one of the most goofiest unboxers. So Lunarly is $40 a month or $50 a month, one of the two. I know that I got an email that said they were $50 a month, but I'm not sure if they changed that from the $40 I was paying. Either way, you do get some self-care items. They should be in this box. So we will set this aside for now. And first, I want to pull out the candle because I love getting these candles. So let's see what this one looks like. They keep changing the outer packaging. So it looks like this. The only thing that it's missing is they used to say, which I'll grab it. They used to say the moon and the notes of the fragrance. They are 60-hour burn candles. Oh, that smells good. It smells like rose and flowers. It smells like a bouquet of flowers. But I do love these. They do last a long time. I don't burn them until they're gone. I do, however, wish they would write the moon on here somewhere and the hint notes. Maybe like they could put the hint notes on the bottom. But I really do wish these jars had the moon name on them like they used to, because when you're done, you can always reuse them or keep them, clean them up, use them as cups. I don't know. I'm just throwing out suggestions. Or you could break them like I just almost did. But yeah, I do love the packaging. The black candle. I do like the new blue and purple themed, and it does say Lunarly on them. The only thing I would say is I really, really do like the moon name on them. So Lunarly, if anyone from Lunarly watches me or watches this, the moon name, the what month they're for would be really nice. I think it would capture it. But I know you did a voting thing. I did vote that on there. I don't know why people would vote not to have it on there. But let's set that aside. And we will see what's in my little self-care box. I think that's the only thing that's in this box. Yes. So let's see what's in my self-care box. You usually get 3 or 4 items depending on what they are. Sometimes they are fun stuff for your plants and stuff. You do get like a thing that tells you all about it. We will look more at this in a minute. It does say that the notes in the candle is rose, so I was right, moss, and orange. The other thing you get is a moon description. It tells you more about the full moon, the new moon, all kinds of stuff, and it gives you an intention to aspire. They like to tell you to focus on something every single month, and I do like that. And the inside of this looks like this. So let's see what's in it. The first item that I pull out is a small thing that I am very confused about. Give me 1 second. This says, oh, okay. So this says, on the package when I was reading it, it says brass metal revitalize. It's a thinking egg, and I got worried. But according to the thing, it just says that it is a brass egg. It says hold the brass egg as you take a deep breath. Oh, it is a brass egg. That is weird. Okay. I can try. That's new. The next thing in here I will pull out. It is a serum, which I've never gotten a serum from them, but that's kind of neat. Mine says rose on the side. The other one was chamomile. It says that these match your own flowery disposition with this serum. Kind of wish you would have got both, but massage 3 to 5 drops of this serum into your facial pores to cleanse and hydrate. It does smell straight up roses. It smells totally like roses, and it feels like water. So it feels like I'm just rubbing rose water all over my hand. So you don't get that really oily feeling from it. So that's nice, because some of the serums leave a kind of residue or oily thing. The next item in here is by Dime, and it says it is an immune boost essential oil blend, blended with a powerful combination of oils like eucalyptus, rosemary, peppermint, clove, and more. Roll onto your wrist for an aromatic boost. Aromatic. I cannot word. Oh, yeah, that smells like eucalyptus. Straight up eucalyptus. But I will still use it. I do like having stuff like that usually on me. And the last item that I got, and believe it or not, this feels completely empty. So it's not going to be big. And it's broke. But it is, well, that's a shame. It is a cube pyrite. Pyrite. Just like pyrite, an abundance comes in many forms. When you work with this stone, visualize how it will enrich your life, whether it's financially, socially, or spiritually, which at the moment it's only going to be spiritually, because you can't socialize, and you get me. You feel me? Do you feel me? I feel me. Visualize how you will work will bring that to reality. So, getting my house. That would be it. Getting my house. Oh, look at that. You can see me in the reflection of the pyrite. Let's see if I can get it lined up just right. Hi. Hi. Hi, me. Okay, that's enough of that. I am the goofiest unboxer ever because I just wigged out. But that's the items that I got aside from my candle. I did spend $40 for this. I would say I don't know if I feel like I got $40, but here's the thing. Candles are about $30 to $40. Sometimes you can find them for $20. That size of candle kind of, it's not like, I don't want to say it's not like when you get the plant box, because you can get a plant that's under $40. But at the same time, it's kind of like the candle is the box, whereas with the plant box, it's just the excitement of getting a plant and then something neat with it. Which they do a really good job of making sure you get like a book or something with that box, because that box, usually a plant, you can get a house plant for like 20 bucks. So I do like my candle. It smells really nice. And I do enjoy this box. It makes me feel good. It's not like my beauty boxes. My beauty boxes, I do not wear makeup as much. I do burn incense almost every day. I do light candles very frequently. I do play with my houseplants every day. So, that's why I chose those two boxes aside from my beauty boxes. But like I said, there are links in the description for all the boxes that I unbox, whether it's to feed my mouth hole or to have a plant or a candle or what have you. I am an amateur. It's just me and the camera. Please do not fault me for that. I do gaming videos as well. But if any of that interests you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And to all my essentials workers out there, it gets better. It's got to get better. I'm there for you. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are fantastic. Every single one of you going in there with a smile every day. And I will see you in the next video. I heart your face. Bye.